Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Future Trading with Mike, and in this video here I am going to be doing my live day trading. I'm trading the the E-mini S&P 500. If you've been following my channel, you see me live day trading every single day. There's no edits, no filling, no fluff, no go back doing any voiceovers. This is me live day trading every single day, guys. And if those that follow the channel, you see me live day trading. I'm sitting here at my desk, monitors up. You see in my webcam, this is me, Mike, trading the ES futures, okay? So we're going to take a look to see what price has actually done. Of course, we all know those that follow the markets, price is making all-time highs. After we've had this major sell-off going into last week, I mean, prices turned back around and boom, took out the highs right there at 43.84, okay? So those that know, I am in this video here, I'm going to basically, you're going to be following, if you follow the video here, I mean, live day trading, I'm a pullback scalper, pretty much. I scalp the market every single day and looking for entries or, levels to trade from. So I'm a price action pullback scalper. I scalp for ticks, I scalp for points, I day trade. That's me, So in this video here, you'll learn, if you follow the video, excuse me, how to actually pullback scalp in the market. So I'm going to be showing you some, hopefully get into some entries here soon, that at least one or two or maybe more, just depending on how the market is moving. So far the market's not doing much, but you see me scalping on pullbacks. So let's see what we got so far. I mean, you can look at the market so far and see that the market opened up around here, around 4,400, and so far we just haven't done too much. So what I'm looking for prices to actually do is pull back to this level here, maybe around 43.96, 43.95, and possibly take a trade. The price has not come back to that level so far. This is a level from the 23rd, which was Friday. So we have, let's see. Okay. And price can come back down to it. So let's see what happens. Actually, not that level. Yeah, somewhere around 43.95. That's going to be our best area there, I'm gonna say. I'm just looking at something else on my chart here, but and actually there's a level. Yeah, 43.98. But I just don't know if price is going to bounce there. It could. Let me mark that as well, because I mean there is a level there at 43.98 and 43.97, say 43.98 area. But we're in this low volume area here, so I typically don't like to trade in low volume areas. I mean, because price can push right through them and test an area of volume below it, which is right here. So you have to be careful there. And so price is moving down to this. It's pretty much already bounced at this level here, or reacted at a level. But I would like to see price come a little lower, down to the 43.95 area, and because we'll be at the lower end of this small little high volume area here at a particular level there, and then possibly look for a trade entry. So let's see what happens there. Here, I'm looking to see, guys. So just bear with me. Yeah, I don't. Let's see. Trying to see the market. Give me a second, guys. I'm looking at something. I'm going long. Going long. I'm looking for price to at least test this area right here. Going long. See what happens here. This could be a tricky trade here, to be honest with you. But Price. I really want to see prices break. Let's see. Yeah, that may not have been a good trade. Now look at it here. Uh, yeah, the price will have to break above 4401 and a half to really test an area that I'm looking at. So, okay. And this is a pullback here to a level, but we haven't quite approached the level to the tick yet. I mean, no, we haven't. Not to the tick yet. It's come down to 43.99. 43.98 is actually the trade entry. It's not a trade entry. It's actually a level to. It's actually a level, but price is going to have to. Excuse me. It's going to have to. Let's see. Hmm. I would like for it to see it break 4401. If it breaks 4401, I can tell you that price is probably going to pull up to um, probably at least 4403. So we're going to see if we can scalp this bad boy for at least a point here. At least a point. Market's moving really slow. It's Monday morning here. Today is the what is today? 26th. 26th. So let's see what we get here. See if we can get us up to at least a point on this on two contracts here. So we'll see. Um, but as I mentioned, everyone that's been following my channel, I'm a price action pullback. I look for I I'm a scalping pullback trader. So let's see if we can get filled here. Let's hope. This is an area price could bounce. I mean, just it could bounce right here, but I'm hoping that the market fills us on this order here. So this is me showing you how to scalp and pullbacks. Okay, taking pullback entries and scalping the market. This is crazy that price doesn't want to. We could push lower. We could push lower. Price is not wanting to break or take out this area right here, so but that's fine. Hmm. Moving sideways, moving sideways. And we can push lower, as I mentioned already. Um, the best opportunity is going to probably be around, it's going to be down here at, let's see, 43.95, as I mentioned. So, and I believe I bought too high. So, which means I bought too early, guys. So yeah, see, price is checking that level now, that red line that I have marked there, and we can push through it because we have low volume right there. Okay, we'll reduce the size here. Not reduce the size, we will 50. Yeah, I bought another contract. So the market overnight, we did have some sell off here, which is typical. You have the market just pulling back, but if you look at the structure of the market, we just made a lower high here. So what does that tell me? Price does not want to take out this high here, so we could actually push lower. So um, it has to be mindful of that because the market could continue pushing lower. And I am taking on quite a bit of heat here, more than I typically would, I'd say. But I know that this is a solid area to where price can react at, and it is so far reacting at this level here, and that's why I had that red line there. And had I taken my trade right here, you see where price is reacting at and already been in the trade. I could have scalped for at least a point right here and been out the market. I took the trade too early, is what I was trying to explain to you a moment ago, but that's okay. For me, I'm an aggressive style. I take on a little more risk than most people would. So because I'm looking to understand price action and I can follow what the market is trying to do here. Um, so that's why. So what can the market do here? Right here where it's at, it can react. I mean, it's hitting resistance right now. It's definitely doing that. So I mean, right to the tick. I mean, it's hitting resistance and can turn around and push lower. But I'm hoping that the market um, continues pushing higher here, or at least push higher up into to my profit area, because to me it makes sense. It's an area where price could possibly push up to before it pushes lower. It can, profit here and maybe push a little higher before it turns around and starts pushing lower. So This is pretty much a waiting game here. Market is very slow this morning. Is it tradable? Sure, it's still tradable. You just have to be patient though. Some days you get, you know, more activity, more volume moving in the market, more liquidity in the market. So the pace will be a little quicker, but so far this morning the market is just moving very slow. And being that we're in a live trade, I'm going to let this, recording go ahead and play out and go on from there. But right now, I mean, we can see that um, right now, this moment, the price is not making a lower low. So far, it's making a similar low. So, but it can push lower. I mean, we do see it trying to make a lower low, but so far it's not pushed through and broken this low here yet at 43.99. So I did mention 43.98, like I said before, is an area where price would possibly bounce at, and that's because we do have a level there, and it is a low volume area. So I mean, it's two situations. What could happen in a low volume area? Price could reject, continue pushing higher, or it could reject and fall through and push right up, continue pushing around lower to the next level or area of volume. So it's a matter of being very careful and pay attention to what price is trying to do. And if we break this area here, we're definitely going to move to the downside. So um, we do have an area of support, but right below this level here, and that area of support is right there at 43.98. So if let's see, price holds up here, then we could continue pushing higher. But we'll see though. We will see. Hopefully we get filled here. It's tried once already, but okay, let's fill that contract there. Let's see. Come on. There we go. Got filled finally. So it took some time, guys, but I knew what price was going to do. I mean, we're probably going to come up to here to, like I said, 44.03, but I believe it's going to have to break 44.01. So if you stayed watching the video, guys, you'll see me take a profit. You see me take a profit on this trade here, and we'll take a look and see what we got here. Okay, so on that trade there, we just picked up a quick 11 ticks there. That's $137.50 there. So, we're just starting out. My first trade, successful trade for today, and we'll see if we can possibly get into another trade. So right now, me personally, I don't see another opportunity at this point to take a trade. Let's see. Don't want to speak so soon. I mean, this is micro pullback trading. Just gonna write something down right quick, guys. So. Okay. Yeah, don't see anything going right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video right now, pause it, and then when I see another trade opportunity, if price can come down here to the 43.95 area, um, you know, that's going to be a possible go-to. I'm gonna look here for a moment. Give me 1 second. Um, oops. Yeah, we're not doing. It's not much activity. I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video for now, guys, and then I'll be back shortly. Once we can get to another trade. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, I'm back. And we are approaching. Give me a second here. Okay, I am. That was not a good trade. Okay, I'm approaching an area, but that was not a good area to take a trade from. Okay, I'm just gonna try to scalp this bad boy for a few points here. Let's see. Yeah, try to scalp here. There we go. Okay, I got a feel on that trade there. It wasn't the best entry because I was looking at something wrong, but either way, I was able to. I knew what I was doing looking at price action and what price will probably pull back to. It's probably going to bounce right here at 4,400 and a half, 4,400 and three quarters. So it's at or coming close to a level at 43.95. Hasn't gotten there to the tick, but just took another trade. Pullback scalping. So. And looking at our trade performance now, I'm up 19 ticks. I had 11. So what does that put us at for today? So we were at, I picked up $100 pretty much. I mean, we were at 137 and a half. Now we're up 237 and a half. And this is, all in less than a half an hour of trading so far. So this is day trading at its best, showing you how I take, pullback trades, scalping the E-mini S&P 500. You can do this on any market. It does not matter. It could be option stocks, whatever you trade. I mean, it doesn't matter. It could be Forex. If you just understand price action, that's the key to it. So, I'm a pullback scalper. Scalping and day trading based upon looking at price action solely. So, and reading the market pretty much, seeing where, what the market's done, what it's possibly going to do, waiting for it to come back to levels, failure, and waiting for failure, waiting for rejection. Okay, so that was a trade there, and I'm gonna wait for price to come down here to 43.95 and be back. Okay, guys, I'm in a quick little trade here just to the upside. I'm gonna go ahead and just take out these. I took a little quick scalp. Okay, just took a little quick scalp to the upside. Saw price breaking, small little level, and so I took a quick little trade there, and kind of didn't have my recording on at first, but I went ahead and quickly turned it on. Okay, so price is it's got to break this level here, break through this area here for it to push up higher. If it does, then it's probably going to go up and test 4405, 4406 area, but definitely more so the VPOC. Yeah, it's going to retest the VPOC, looks like here. Hold on a minute. We can bounce right here. We can bounce right here and then push lower. But either way, I took a little scalp there just for a few ticks there. Was able to take a quick little profit. So we'll see what we got now. Probably just a couple ticks there. 4 or 5 ticks. So now I'm up 287 and a half. $287.50. So this is just me, once again, scalping pullbacks, guys. So I'm trading what I can trade based on what I'm seeing the market doing. And this is pure price action. Okay. Yes, 2 ticks, 3 ticks is not a lot, but It can be a lot depending on the size of the number of contracts that you put on or into the market with. But if you know what you're doing, you can make a profit. I mean, $50 here, $100 here, $200 there. It all adds up at the end of the day to make a profit. I mean, in less than an hour's trading time, and you can make several $100s. There's nothing wrong with that, guys. I mean, it beats, to me, uh, working 9 to 5 somewhere. I'm not saying I'm not knocking those that work 9 to 5 or whatever the case is. I'm just showing that it can be done if if it's something that you truly are passionate about learning and wanting to do, and that's day trading. Okay, so prices pull back here. Let's see if we can take a little quick scalp here to the upside. Price, okay, I'm long, just scalping. Price could pull a little lower. I can tell you that for sure. But I'm looking for price to at least test 44.02 and a quarter. But you can push a little lower here, so we have to be careful. Yeah, I just mentioned that. Yeah, we can push lower. Yeah, the price is trying to push lower. Okay. I should have waited for the pullback should have waited for the pullback down to this level here. That level at that red line, right below where price is at now. Okay, I'm buying into another contract here. See if we can possibly get out this trade. Price can come down here and test this level. I'm talking about 43.98. So, but let's see. As I mentioned, price is stepping to the downside. I mean, we have a low here, a lower high, a low, a lower high. So I'm going to have to try to get out this trade now. And come on, there we go. All right, so took another. I just mentioned price will probably pull up to 44.02 and a quarter. Boom, there it is, right there to the tick. I'm marking my levels, guys. I'm pretty precise with my levels. I'm accurate. So you have to see that, understand what I'm doing. And so, yep, I took the trade too early. I should have waited for a little, for it to pull back a little further. I didn't take the trade. Either way, was able to take a profit. I know the levels that I'm trading from, so that's the key thing. So right now we're up. We went from, what did I say we had last? Uh, we're up 30 ticks now. Okay, 30 ticks, showing you that. And now I'm up $375 from 237 and a half. So we just had $237.50. Now I'm up $375. Okay, and that trade there is probably within 5 minutes. So here I go again. Scalping pullbacks. Okay, all right. So I want to see price come down and test the 43.95 area. Hopefully it comes down to that area there, and then possibly we're looking for a trade. So place the video on pause. Hopefully it gets there. If it doesn't, then we'll go ahead and close out this video. But I want to thank everyone for watching the video so far. Okay, guys. So where we at? The market looks like it's going to try to push higher. We're probably going to try to push up to I'm probably going to say 44.05. So let's see. Possibly, I'm looking to try to follow something here. Okay. Yeah, I think we're probably going to pull it to at least 44.05, guys. I'm gonna be honest with you. Um, I'm just not taking a trade at this moment. Market's kind of a little unclear to me, but I'm looking at price action. I think we're probably going to pull up to 44.05 area, but we're at a high volume node now, so price could actually bounce. So, excuse me, that's an area we have to be careful. So we just made it to about 44.05 right there. So it's at a high volume area right here, a little high volume node, so price could bounce there. So got to be careful. Be definitely careful in that area there. So I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to sit back and just kind of wait, and you can see the market activity here. We're just not doing much of anything, and even when the market is like not doing as much, I'm still able to make a profit. I'm trading micro levels, or not so much micro levels. I'm trading within a narrow range, and it's what I call micro trading. You know, I look for price to move to levels, and I'm trading those intricate or those little small micro areas within or at a level. So right now, the market's not doing much, guys. I'm up 375 for the day so far. I'm sure I'll probably take another trade or two throughout the day if price can get to certain areas or certain levels, and I see rejection or failure. But I'm going to go ahead and close this video out here because I'm already at 30 minutes of runtime here. So I appreciate everyone who's watched the videos or continue to watch the videos. If you haven't, it's your first time seeing the videos, guys, I've got other videos of me live day trading. The markets, especially the E-mini S&P 500, every day. It's me live trading, as I said. There's no editing. There's no voiceovers. There's no filling or recording and going back and showing you an area where I would have traded from. I'm sitting here at my desk. I have my webcam sitting to the side of me so you can see me in my video and you can actually see my charts live. Me day trading. This is me pullback scalping or scalping pullback trading the E-mini S&P 500s. If you like the video, guys, if you like this particular video, you want to see more content like this of me live day trading, scalping the market, taking pullbacks, please make sure to drop a like. Hit that thumbs up button for me, guys. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell notification so that you'll always be informed of when I drop my next video of me live day trading or an information type video that explains trading, which I'll do from time to time. So please make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Those that have already subscribed, thank you for subscribing to the channel and following my channel as well. Take care and see you in the next video.